Okay, to continue the same proceedings, before I get on to my task, normally I have been given thankless task to perform, but we would like to thank the technical team, and I would request Mr. Milind to come here, and you are a technical team leader, so you be here. And can I ask Mr. Sundarajan to come in? Thank him for organizing such a good knowledge day for all of you, and go on clapping for him. He did all the wonderful job.
You are doing something and I am putting them.
All the best. You have done wonderful job.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Dr. Sikka, being the core member of the team, can you join on the stage? And please clap for him. He has been a... Can I ask Mr. Anil Dhumal to join in here? Go on clapping, man. These guys are working very hard for last many months. Put this show up. Thank you, Dr. Sikka, for your very valuable contribution. Thank you so much. Dr. Makhiza, can you join on the stage? Yeah. Can I ask Haris Girware if you are there in the audience, if you're not somewhere busy in striking the deal? Can come in, please. Thank you, Dr. Makhiza. You have been wonderful and great contribution from your side. On behalf of the audience, I'm very thankful to you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Great contribution. Thank you so much. Can I request Dr. Phatak to join in on the stage, please? And Dinesh, can you join in here? Thank you, Dr. Phatak. You're ever young, ever energetic. Keep it up. You have been a great strength to the team. Thank you so much.
Three people on broken hand from the stage.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for the technical team. I think I should speak the least. That is, I've been instructed by the Poultry India. Normally, I have been given the task of closing the session, not opening the session. But I will provoke a little bit. Indian curry, Indian yoga, and Indian movies are the most successful story of the marketing. They're available global, worldwide, everywhere. Indian curry, Indian yoga, and Indian movies. So there's a learning and there's a case study to learn from them. They have been very wonderful marketers for their produce, and anywhere in the world you can go, you can find them. That's a provocation. Second thing, to my understanding of meat business, meat do not compete. It means no meat product will compete any of the meat sources. So that's another learning. So you have your own growth paths to work on. 3, non-scientific people from other arena are watching you. I do not agree that somebody who doesn't know the chicken science can teach what residue can be, what could not be there. And I wanted to provoke this issue to a little larger scale because most of the audience, I believe, are the technical audience here today. Did you ever ask those people who are talking to us, to poultry industry, and pointing out finger that the chicken has got a residue? That is bullshit. They're not good for us. Did you ask them back that how many people are dying because of the hospital-borne infections globally? Did you ask them back, did you study that is it acquired resistance or it is a natural resistance? Did you ask your patient, when you're prescribing drugs to human being in India or any other country, did they complete the course of antibiotics? Do you have any study? Did you ask them that when you took your mother's milk as a colostrum, did you check the bacterial count in it? None. Do you have the study for it? In India, I find it's irrelevant, it's a hoax exercise created by the NGOs. And you as a technical person got to equip yourself in next 2 years' time to answer them befittingly, since you all are technical people. If you don't respond them correctly, they would. We have approximately 41% vegetarian population. Are they not finding any resistance of antibiotics in them? They don't eat chicken. They don't eat eggs. Are they not resistant to antibiotic? Please think through. Don't get scared with hoax calls created by the NGOs or unscientific people who do not have the backup data to complete the task themselves. But does not allow us that we will not be scientifically correctly producing our product. We, on behalf of Poultry India, assure you, and I believe EAC gives me enough flexibility to speak, that we'll continue to guide you as stronger as we can in the future too. So please clap for Poultry India and their support. We'll not only stop here, we'll take head-on to any international agencies without bothering anyone. When my friend Sadhana was talking about US is doing this, Sadhana, he took very safer wall to protect himself and present his presentation. Did he tell you that 27.8 billion subsidy has been given to their farmers last year? What kind of parallel competition they're talking about? From corn growers, soya growers, and the food processing, everything subsidized. And the total amount of subsidy, which is on a paper, $27.2 billion. Did you ask that question to them? I do not agree this parallel or unparalleled game of play. That does not say that we don't have to be prepared. But I'm saying, let's not keep the tail between the legs. Let's take it on. And we, on behalf of Poultry India, would like to assure the poultry industry we would fight tooth and nail with them without any doubt. Clap it for Poultry India, whatever resources we have. All my senior team members are ready for any kind of fight if any undue, unwarranted issues are raised in the international community, or domestic situations, or unflirted, unscientifically brought any issues. So let's take that issue, let's take these issues carry forward. Without taking any more time, I would like to congratulate Poultry India and the EAC members that tomorrow onwards, probably we are running a very large campaign of animal and chicken protein, and probably you will see tomorrow the show on that. Undaunting task is being classified, virtually worked upon, and tomorrow onward we are going for nationwide campaign for chicken and egg promotion. So congratulate to Poultry India and thank them again once. Let's take it, let's understand what can be done. I know the path is tougher, I know the situation is going to be competitive, I know the situation is going to be a lot more complicated, but I don't think we should leave it like this, as it is. Let's get on to it, let's learn it, let's upgrade it, let's move on. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. You have been a great listener since morning. Thank for yourself and have a great day. And beside all this, all the junior executives who have just joined their business, please enroll your names for evening function. We're looking forward to some more names from you. Thank you and have a great evening today. Thank you so much. Thank you.